Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to customize app design. Enter app name, select category, click on next. If you want you can add your website here. Now select a design as per your need. And click on next. Click on design customization tab. In app elements, if you want you can change app icon from here. You can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Once done, click on OK to continue. From here you can change the app background image. If you want you can also select background or solid colors from our library. You can also upload your own custom app background image from this section. If you want to use the same custom image for both portrait and landscape modes, you can tick mark this checkbox or upload different images for both the modes. Once you have selected the app background image, click on OK to continue. Next comes choosing app splash screen. If you want, you can change app splash screen from here. You can choose the image from our library or upload your own splash screen from Upload Custom Image section. Once done, click on OK to continue. If you want, you can overlay color from here. Now it's time to finalize a layout. Select a design as per your needs. Here I am selecting Slide Out Layout. Now let's check out fonts and colors. If you want, you can change the app header bar text, text font, text size, background color, text color, and header icon color from here. You can also change the app layout text font, text size, border, background color, text color, icon color, layout animation from this section. Not just this, if you want you also can change the app page text font, heading alignment, heading size, subheading size, content alignment, icon color, primary button, secondary button, and bottom text from here. Now let's move to app identity section in design customization. If you want, you can change the app name and app category from here. Once done, click on Save to continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.